scale. This is a sleeve curve. Last one we used was to create an armhole, not to create the curve of the sleeve so that it fits well to your arm. We use a sleeve curve. So after this we have got hip curve. A hip curve is quite similar to the sleeve curve, just that it is used at the hip. To give a perfect fitting on hip, we use the hip curve. Next we have is the leg curve. As last two curves you have studied, this one is also used in a similar manner for giving a curve to leg. Now hip curve and leg curve are quite similar, but if you see, the slight difference makes the difference in fitting. And last but not the least, we have a straight scale. Now we have a piping thread. This is used to give a more beautiful finish to the edges of the dress. Often in women's wear, we would find such kind of piping. And the most important tool of a fashion designer is a sewing machine. A sewing machine is what makes your designs, your ideas come into life. It assembles all the different pieces of garment to create one fine garment. One must take a very good care of sewing machine. You need to understand that like any other machine, it needs proper oiling, proper care, proper cleanliness. You need to regularly check your sewing machine if it is in a well working condition or not. You need to oil different parts as per needed to avoid any kind of damage due to friction or anything. You need to keep it very clean. Different parts might contain dust and other issues. So these were the basic tools used by a fashion designer to create a beautiful garment. There are other more finer tools that are used by a designer, but these are the most basic tool that almost every designer needs to create a fine dress. So students, half of these items are found in most of the household and might be in your household as well. So if you have these items, go have a look at them, try to understand them carefully, try to use them, have some experiments. This is all about having ideas and experimenting on them. Make use of the thread, of the needle, try to create some design and do share it. We'll see you as soon as possible.